a child, running in the night. I was afraid of what might be. Hiding in the dark and hiding on the streets for none of what was following me. Oh, 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 oh. The hounds of love are calling. Oh, 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 oh. I've always been a coward. Oh, 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 oh. And I don't know what's good for me. Well, here I go. It's coming at me through the tree. Help me, someone, help me, please. Take your shoes off, and I will throw them in the lake, and I will be 2 steps on the water. I found a box covered by dogs. He let take in my hands. His little heart beats so fast that I am ashamed to be running away. Nothing real, I just can't deal with this. I feel ashamed to be there. Oh, 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 oh. Amongst your hounds of loving. Oh, 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 oh. I feel your arms surrounding me. Oh, 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 oh. I've always been a coward. Oh, 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 oh. And I don't know what's good for me. But here I go.